the best businesses one can step in and make good money. But here are some facts that you need to gather, you need to know. Certain things you need to consider before choosing which of the agro businesses that you should step in. Number one is profitability. Number two, market demand. Number three, cost of production. Snails are hermaphrodites, so after mating, they go their separate ways. Each snail can lay up to 100 eggs, but there are special species that can lay up to 400 eggs. Under favorable conditions, eggs hatch approximately 2 weeks. After hatching, the shells are always very soft and fragile. That is why you need to feed them with feed that contain a lot of calcium. But for the first few days, they will feed on their remaining shells and get stronger. Now, after those days, you need to feed them with food that contain a lot of calcium, like bone meal, or you can grind some shells and sprinkle on their feet. That way, it will increase the calcium intake in them. If you fail to add some calcium in their feed, they will definitely eat sand looking for calcium. But the best way to grow them is to feed them with feed that contain a lot of calcium. Imagine one snail laying up to 100 eggs and you have 100 snails. That means you can have up to 1,000 eggs, and the next week or the next 2 weeks you already have a lot of snails in your pen. That way you'll be happy and ready to do anything to protect and grow those snails. Now, for your snails to grow fast, just as I've said earlier, you need to give them enough food that contains calcium so that their shells will grow and also they increase in flesh. The second thing that we are going to look at is feeding. Unlike other agro businesses like the catfish farming, the poultry farming, the pig farming, that you spend a lot of money in feeding, snail farming is not like that. The feeding cost of snail is very, very low because snails eat a lot of things that are around us. Snail eat a lot of leaves like banana leaves, pawpaw leaves, cocoyam, sweet potato, and many more. So you can see that it's very easy because all these leaves are around you. They also eat cucumber, carrots, pawpaw. And I can keep mentioning them and mentioning them and mentioning them. That makes it very easy for you to rear snail because they eat anything. So you don't have to buy feed. Although there are people that sell feed, special feed for fast growth. But as a beginner, you just need to use the things around you. There's another way also that you can feed your snail without doing anything. What you need to do is to fence the place and create a gutter around so that insects and other predators will not creep into the open pen. Now introduce your snail in that open field and they will feed themselves, produce, reproduce, and increase massively without you doing anything. So snail farming business is one of the best business that anyone can step in. If you're a student, if you're a banker, if you're a lecturer, any field of life that you are engaged in, you can still be involved in snail farming business because it does not take much of your time. So this will really help you. It's one of the best reasons, basic reason you should consider snail farming business. The third reason is high demand. You cannot supply enough. You cannot have enough. You cannot produce enough snails for the market. The demand is always going higher and higher. It's always increasing. Top hotels, restaurants, and individuals are looking for quality snails to consume, to sell, and also consume. So you cannot supply enough. The demand is very high. So you don't need to bother or ask yourself, where am I going to sell the snails? You don't need to take it out. Customers will come to your doorstep. Customers will come to your farm. Let's look at the fourth reason you should start or consider snail farming business as the business to step in. And that is low startup capital. You don't need millions to start snail farming. You don't need thousands to start snail farming. All you need, you can even start snail farming business at your backyard. or you can use your drums, you can use other plastic containers, buckets, or condemned ties that you have already thrown away. Your car ties are still useful if you know how to use it. You can even use some planks and construct some boxes that you introduce your snails, and they are comfortable, like the pictures that I'm going to show you right now. The fifth reason we are going to consider is profitability. You have seen the low cost of feeds. You have seen the low cost of startup capital. It tells you that the profitability or the profit in it is very high. You will make a lot of profit because you don't have to spend much in order to produce your snail, in order to rear your snails. The little money you have, you can start with it and it will give you high profit. Now, let's look at it. If one snail can lay up to 100 eggs and you have 50 or 100 snails, that means you may be able to sell up to 1,000 snails in a short period of time. So all you need is that little patience to allow your snails to grow, or not to just sell all of them and come back to zero. The next reason we are going to look at is mortality rate. Snails are very strong animals that they don't die anyhow. Now, if you can protect them from predators like insects and other things that kill snails externally, snails are always healthy and strong. If you can introduce them also, because these are the key things that can kill snails, when you are introducing them to the pen, if the pen is not well prepared, or if where you are bringing them from was not okay, this is the best way to introduce your snails. When you bring them either from the forest or from another farm, what you need to do is to pour water on them so that they will regain strength, so that because they might have gone through a lot of stress. So pour some water on them and you will see them coming up. The next thing is you can also mix a little tetracycline on the water and introduce it into the pen so that they will drink, and everything that they might have eaten that is poisonous will go out of their system. Once you have done that and you protect the place from predators, you have no problem. Just give them water and food. Now, for you to have maximum yield, for your snails to lay very well, let the place be always dark and let there be food. If you have enough food and the place is always dark, they will be eating in the night and at noon. Anytime they are eating, they are laying, and you have your feeds, you have your snails growing fast. Let's look at nutritional value. Snail meat contains calcium, fat, iron, magnesium, phosphorus. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin K, and a lot of more. What else do you need from meat? So snail meat is very, very good and highly nutritional. It's very effective. It works well with the body. I have not seen anybody yet that hates eating snail. It's highly recommended, and you need it whether you are a child, whether you are a youth, or you are old. This is one of the reasons that the demand is so high. The last reason is that anyone can start. Although you need some training to have the best profit, you have the highest profit, but it does not mean that if you're not trained, you will run at loss. No. Now, all you need to do is to follow some of the guidelines, also go online and read some articles, and you are good to go. So anybody can start, and start very well. Go online, Google about the snail business, read some articles, and you start your business. Now, if you cannot read, you can still start watching other videos on how people go about it, how they prepare the pen, how they pick eggs, because I don't want to go into that, it will be too lengthy. So you can check on how people pick the eggs, how they introduce the eggs, how the eggs are buried, what kind of soil, how the soil texture look like, how everything about snail farming is there online. you can learn it and start your business. So if you want me to do a full video on snail business, on how you are going to pick the snails, introduce it, how you are going to hatch your eggs and have the best result, comment below and I'm going to surprise you with a full package. So these are great reasons why you should step into snail farming business and start making money at the comfort of